Huh? Huh? Faster than you. Saw you coming, you shitheel.
But
I'm
we
standing
put
here.
ourselves
You make
into
the
it,
move.
and we fought everybody.
You make the move.
We fought everybody
It's your
down the
move.
line during the shoot. It was a very hard shoot. When you hear those tracks, him
Try it.
improvising, you're talking to me, you hear those drums, that's outside. The people in the streets, it was a Colombian neighborhood or something, and they were all playing music and stuff.
You talking to me? You talking to me? You talking to me? Well, then who the hell else are you talking? You talking to me?
Today they would say, because there's a plane that goes over, you're talking to me, you have to loop it. I say, no, don't loop anything, do this looping, be careful. You know, I mean, Cassavetes re-looped faces a number of times, but it's a different process because the technology now seems to be something everybody just, oh, we can't have that. Well, maybe you can. You know, you're talking to technicians. No, you've got to be an artist. You've got to go past technology. The technology has got to be made to you to use. It's things where you try something crazy.
Well, I'm the only one here. Who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Oh, yeah? Huh? Okay. Huh?